Hello guys, welcome to DCC. Myself Prashan Kumar. Today we will solve weekly contest 337 question number 3, which is the number of beautiful subsets. Here the question states is you are given an array nums of positive integer and a positive integer k. A subset of nums is beautiful if it does not contain two integers with an absolute difference k, which means if we have an subset of a and b, subset a b, the absolute difference of a b should not equal to k, and return the number of non-empty beautiful subsets of the array nums. A subset of nums in an array that can be obtained by deleting some elements from nums. Two subsets are different if and only if chosen indices to delete are different. So basically we have an array k 246 and integer k, and we have to return the number of subsets which will satisfy this condition. Means if we have 246, the subsets regarding this is 2, 4, 6, 2 and 4, 4 and 6, 2 and 6, and 2, 4, 6. So this, in this subset there is only one element, so it will satisfy the condition. Similarly this, and for 2, 4, the absolute difference of 2, 4 is 2, which is equal to k. Here k is equal to 2, which is equal to k. So it will be rejected because this is not fulfilled the condition. For 4, 6, similarly for 4, 6, absolute difference is equal to 2, which is equal to k, so it will also rejected. For 2, 6, the absolute difference of 2, 6 is equal to 4, which is not equal to k, which is satisfied the equation, so it will be accepted. And for 2, 4, 6, the element 2, 4, here the element 2, 4 is equal to 2, which is equal to k, so it will be rejected. And we here we will see that the maximum number of length of array is 20, so that the maximum subset will be generated is equal to 2 to the power 20, which is equal to 10 to the power 6. So we can easily use brute force for generating subsets and checking the condition. So subset count function will be generate the subset and checking the condition, and here we store the element of subset in the map so that we can check the condition in constant time. So let's move to this function subset count. Here count variable will be declared in globally so that we can use in both the function. Subset count, here I is equal to index of array, and this is the base case of the recursion. Base case base case is if I is greater than equal to num size, means if I is equal to num size, which means we have reached the end of the array, so that will be return back, and return back. And in next line we will check the condition, means if we have map here num size, if we have a b, the a minus b is equal to k, means if here b is equal to a minus k, means if there is a, if there is b will be in map, and we will insert, if b is already in the map and we will insert a in this, then a b makes the absolute difference is equal to k, so we will not insert b if a is already in the map. So this condition, for let's for I is equal to 0, the test case is equal to 2 for 6, 0, 1, 2. At I is equal to 0, the element 2. For element 2, we k is equal to 2. For element 2, we will check 2 minus k, which is 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. We check in map there is 0 or not. If in map already 0, we will not insert 2, will not insert 2 in the subset. So for this check map, in map there is 0 or not. Here we can map, so there is no 0, so we will insert 2 in the map. We will 2 in the map and increase its corresponding value, 2 in the and increase its corresponding value by 1. and we will call the recursion for the at the next index at I is equal to 1. For I is equal to 1, we check the condition, again check the condition, means 4 minus k, which is equal to 2. If 2 is already in the map, means here which, so there is 2 in the map, already in the map, means 2. If 2 is already and also we insert 4, so absolute difference of 2 and 4 is 2, so we cannot insert 4 in the map, and we will move forward and call recursion for I is equal to 2, which is 6. And for 6 we can check this condition, means 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, which is not equal to k. So we check there is 4 in the map or not. So we will check there is no 4 in the map, so we'll insert 4 and increase value by 1. After that we will increase our count variable so that we are getting one subset, and we will also decrease the count variable after using the subset, because again and again there is a one element which is 2 will be used in the maximum subsets, so that we can also we have to decrease the value of corresponding value of 1, so that it will be used for the next subsets. And this is the not take case for the subset generating. This case is all case is for taking case, and this take is for not take case for the indexes element. So this recursion forms the all the subsets and checks the condition and return the and increase the count value, and finally we will return the count value. And we now let's check that if the code is submitted or not. Let's check, submit the code, and it will be absolute accepted. So thank you guys.